So this is a quick video on BYND. I'm going to try to make this fast, not go too deep into the fundamental stuff, but essentially this is, becoming a pretty wild meme stock. It's all over Reddit, different subreddits, particularly the short squeeze one. It's all over the place. Really big time trending stock. And then also got more momentum because it was added to the MEME ETF, and then this Walmart deal, which basically they've already been in Walmart for many years. What this is they are expanding the products that they are stocking in the stores. So that's that. It's kind of falls in this meme stock category now. And then on the bear side, there's this huge debt conversion where they basically converted around $1.1 billion in debt into 316 million shares and another $200 million convertible note. So the implications for that are, well, one is you want to think about their cost basis, right? Because you want to think about where they might start getting interested in selling. Now, so if you do the math, the cost basis is it's almost $3, right? Around 900 million divided by around 300 million shares, so somewhere around there. So it's getting to a level where, the guys holding the shares might start getting interested in selling. And then the other thing is, saw some comments about there needing to be a registration to sell. That's actually not the case because the debt was issued back in, I think, 2021. And so there's this rule called Rule 144 where you can actually sell shares underlying a convertible like that if you've been holding it at least 6 months. It's different with warrants because with warrants, what happens is even if I've been holding warrants for over 6 months, the holding period doesn't start until I exercise those for shares. So it's different with convertible notes. So I'm pretty sure that they can actually sell if they wanted to. But again, the cost base is kind of key here. And then I guess the other thing that could put pressure on the stock is the ATM. Now, obviously, they cured a lot of their debt, but they still could use cash, and they do have a hefty shelf and ATM. They indicated that they actually didn't sell anything in Q2, but they did in Q1. They sold a good amount, actually, $48 million. And, maybe they didn't sell in Q2 just because they're working on this debt conversion deal. Didn't want to crush the stock, maybe. I don't know. I'm just speculating. But that's it. I guess that's just kind of my scattered thoughts. I don't really trade meme stocks. I can't remember the last one I traded just because I'm primarily a short seller, and these are notoriously difficult to trade on the short side. Makes you think, why not just long it? It's a very good question. But, you look at pretty much all these meme stocks. They're all, pretty tricky unless you see like a massive gap up. But a lot of them are just kind of like push, higher, higher, higher. I don't know if we should really use this as a comparison. These are pretty wild. And then we had, I think BlackBerry was another one. I'm not sure when the massive run. I guess it was back here, right? And then the most recent one, I should have thought of. Open. This is another meme stock. All these meme stocks. It's funny. They're always distressed companies and with high short interest. That's sort of like the criteria for these meme stocks. And then I think SON is another one. But as you can see, as a short seller, not really the easiest stocks to time on the short side unless you get a massive, massive gap. I think AMC was another one like this. So if you see those big acceleration gap ups, at that point, even the apes, it's kind of hard to have diamond hands when all of a sudden your stock's up, I don't know, multiple 100% gap. And then that plus also the company given the opportunity to get that liquidity at higher prices, seems likely that they would tap into the ATM. That's it. Oh yeah, and one other thing, they are actually limited by how much they can dilute because of their authorized shares. So they have this vote coming up on November 19th where they're going to vote for the approval of that new convertible note, which is priced a lot lower at 97 cents. And then also the increase in the authorized shares, as you can see here, they're at 500 million. And with the debt conversion plus what they have, it's like 400 million outstanding shares. So that leaves only 100 million. And I actually haven't read through it to see if they can even use the ATM in the event that they need to reserve those. But yeah, I'm going to look into that. I'll probably make a post about that later.